this guide, we'll explore several methods and tools to facilitate the smooth transfer of photos from one iCloud account to another, ensuring a hassle-free experience and preserving your valuable memories. Way 1. How to transfer photos from one iCloud to another via iCloud Photo Library. Open Settings, select your Apple ID, then sign out. Enter current password, tap Turn off Find My iPhone, toggle off Photos, then sign out. Navigate to Settings Apple ID, sign in with new ID, enter password, select Merge, tap iCloud, enable iCloud Photo Library, your photos will sync to new iCloud. Way 2. How to transfer photos from iCloud to iCloud using AirDrop. Open the Photos app and select the photos you want to transfer. Tap the Share icon, then choose AirDrop from the sharing options. Select the person you want to send the photos to from the list of nearby AirDrop-enabled devices. Way 3. How to transfer pictures from one iCloud to another with shared albums. Open Settings and tap your name. Select iCloud Photos. Toggle on Shared Albums. Go to Photos app. Choose Photos. Tap Add to Shared Albums. Select Existing or Create New Album. Way 4. How to transfer photos from one iCloud account to another on PC. Visit iCloud website. Sign in with old Apple ID. Go to Photos. Select and download photos to PC. Sign out. Sign in with new ID. Upload downloaded photos to new iCloud. Way 5. How to move photos from one iCloud to another on Mac. Open a web browser on your Mac and navigate to the iCloud website. Sign in using your old Apple ID credentials. Click on Photos to access all your iCloud stored photos. Select the photos you wish to transfer and download them to your Mac.